Elizabeth, my name is Dr. Conrad. I'm a psychiatrist.
You want what they want, don't you?
Where were you tonight?
I was working.
That's gonna cost you. 1 hug, 2 kisses.
Jesse, get in here right now!
Hello?
What's your worst fear, Nathan?
Who is this?
We have your daughter. I want something from your patient. She has a 6-digit number locked away in her troubled mind. I need that number. You need your daughter back. I can see you. I like the view. Rule number 1, don't say a word.
I need you to help me.
No, thanks.
Is it a telephone number?
No.
Is it a code?
You want what they want.
Is it a place?
Nope.
Your father let us both down.
They're gonna kill her. What is it?
Sound, Silence.
I'll never tell. I'll never tell any of you.